Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Tesla Model 3 door with card. Place the key card near the B-pillar sensor, wait for the light, tap the center, then pull the handle to open. I will walk you through positioning, timing, and common mistakes to avoid so you can enter smoothly every time. This method works when phone key is unavailable and is quick once you practice now. Start by preparing your card and car. Unlock the car by placing the card flat against the B-pillar sensor area near the driver's door latch. Hold for a moment until the light flashes, then try the door handle. If it does not unlock, reposition the card closer to the center of the pillar and try again. Practice steady pressure and consistent placement to improve reliability. Learn alternative access tips and safety checks. Keep a spare card in a secure wallet, enable phone key backups when possible, and carry manual keys if supplied. Check the car battery and phone settings before assuming card failure, and clean the card and sensor area to maintain consistent reads. If repeated failures occur, contact support or visit a service center for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.